Alhamdulillah. Our project has a strong beginning. The soil compacting is completed ahead of schedule, inspected, and ready for the second phase. Digging for the foundation and preparing to pour the concrete. This phase will cost $75,000. This week, we wrote 3 checks. $50,000 deployment, as scheduled. $39,000 soil compacting, unscheduled. $165,000 steel manufacturing and preparation. Total, $254,000. This is your chance to invest in a Sadaqah Jariyah that will last as long as the foundation itself. Our goal is to pray Ramadan in the new building, God willing. Possible with your support. Ways to help? Donate at masjidbilal.net/donation. Please share this message and keep us in your du'a. For brothers and sisters who made Ramadan pledges, please complete them as soon as possible. We are in urgent need of funds. Masjid Bilal is a Waqf affiliated with NAIT. Donations are tax deductible under our 501c3. Tax ID 22-3384179.